What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to 210 Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Windows 10 product key. Fairly simple. So from your keyboard, you're going to go to the Windows tab and X at the same time. So Windows tab and X, you're going to hit that. You're going to get your command prompt right here. It's going to say Windows PowerShell admin. You're going to click on that. So you're going to have this prompt open up right here, and you're going to type in WMIC space path space software licensing service space get space OA3X original product key. And right here, it's going to give you your product key. And that's it. You're all set. You can enter your original product key and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.